A clean office is more than just a good look. It shapes how your team performs and how clients see your business. Here's how to maintain it the right way. It starts with daily habits. Workstations should be wiped down and sanitized at the end of each day. Common areas like kitchens, break rooms, and meeting rooms need attention throughout the day. Washrooms should be cleaned and restocked on a set schedule. And trash and recycling should never be left to pile up. Once a week, go deeper. Vacuum carpets, mop hard surfaces, and treat high-traffic areas. Clean glass partitions, dust vents, and light fixtures, and sanitize shared equipment like printers and phones. Structure keeps standards consistent. Use checklists so tasks get tracked and completed. Schedule professional deep cleans regularly so nothing falls through the cracks. High-traffic areas need extra attention. Entryways, elevator buttons, door handles, and shared kitchen appliances. Everyone plays a part. Encourage desk tidiness from employees, but for the specialized work, trust a professional team. The most common mistakes: inconsistent schedules, neglected touchpoints, wrong products, and poor air quality. Partner with Picture Perfect Cleaning to create a customized cleaning plan for your office. Get in touch for a free quote.